Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, yes, sir.
Disturbance बहुत हो रहा है. Where are you?
Uh, I'm in the library, sir, but okay. Yes, sir. अभी नहीं होगा. I can hear you, sir.
Yes. Today we are discussing the last topic of this unit, that is change of order of integration. So I will write the question also. Change of order of change of order of integration. Change of order of integration.
Sir, is this the last topic, I guess, right?
Yes, this is the last topic. After this unit will be finished.
Okay.
0 to A, it is y to A, y to A. It's only 2 marks question. This question particularly, but the LAQ will come from this topic only. But this is for 2 marks
Okay.
because it is asking just to change the order. That's it. Change the order. Next question, what you will get it? Change of order and evaluate. It means that you have to evaluate also. But in this question particularly, only it is asking to change the order. So now how to change the order and what is the meaning of change of order actually? First of all, we have to identify the limit. That is your primary step. Number 1, given integral is what is that? Integral 0 to A. This is what?
Okay.
A, y to A. Here, what is this one? F of x comma y, and this is dx, and this is dy. Now you see the second limit is in terms of y, right? In terms of y means obviously it is the limits of x, because y means if it is in terms of y means x limit. Once it is x limit, definitely this first one is the limits of y, right? So after confirmation that the limits, we have to draw a figure, expected figure for this one. So see here, let us draw. अच्छा ये फिगर ड्रॉ करने के बाद यहाँ पे अपन मेंशन कर देंगे पहले तो व्हाट वी आर टेकिंग एक्चुअली लिमिट्स ऑफ y. Limits of y, what are the limits of y? Limits of y, tell me what is that? Y is equal to
0 to
0 to y is equal to a,
0.
definitely it is, maybe in terms of y means definitely it is lies on y axis. Y terms में x के लिमिट्स तो नहीं रह सकते.
Yeah.
So it is lies on y axis.
जी sir.
Next, limits of x.
Okay.
Limits of x is equal to y, lower limit x is equal to y to upper limit x is equal to a.
Okay.
And it is little complicated limit. Always complicated limit lies on a strip. On a strip.
Yeah.
मतलब एक अगर प्रॉपरली एक्सिस पे है तो दूसरा कैसा भी स्ट्रिप पे रहता ना. ऑन स्ट्रिप
जी sir.
पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस.
Exactly.
So it means that we have to draw a figure and we try to visualize the figure. This is the coordinate axis we are taking.
Okay.
As I told you that I am not very much perfect by drawing the figures, but I am trying. This
Yeah.
is x-axis. This is y-axis. And now this is the line. This is y is equal to 0 means where it will come. This is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to a means any line which is parallel to x-axis. It is in terms of y. So y is equal to
Yeah.
a. Now x is equal to a means this is the x is equal to a. This is x is equal to a. X is equal to 0 means this is x is equal to 0. And you know that this is 0 comma 0.
0. Yeah.
If this 0 comma 0, definitely this may be, this point is a comma 0. This point is a comma
A
a.
comma 0. Yes.
A comma a. And this point is, what do you say? 0 comma a.
A comma 0 comma A. Yeah.
So x is equal to a is over. X is equal to y means this is the straight line. Straight line
Okay.
passing through the origin, right? X is equal to y.
Yeah.
Right? So now what actually we are taking? Limits of x.
Yes sir.
Limits of y should be taken on y-axis. And for the limits of x, we have to draw a strip. And this is our region of integration actually. This is our region. This part we are
Okay.
going to integrate. This is our region of integration. And here in this region of integration only, we have to draw a strip parallel to y-axis, parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis होना ना.
Exact.
Sorry, yeah, the mistake.
Yeah.
Parallel to x-axis it is, not like that. It may be like this, parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis.
Yeah.
So lower limit of the strip is this one, x is equal to y, and this is
Lower
x is
limit of
equal
the
to a.
strip is y.
Upper limit is a. Whatever we did till now, it is only the given part. The solution will not be started till now. This is the given situation. Actually, what I am doing always, I am going to draw two figures here always. My change of order में two different figures draw करके
Okay.
solve करता हूँ. Maybe other lecturers will do in a single figure only. I don't know that, but I want to draw two different figures for that.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the given
ठीक
situation.
है.
Now we have to change the order. And actually, what is the meaning of change of order? I can explain you now. Change of order means we have to change the direction of the strip. So if it is parallel to x-axis, we can make it parallel to y-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis, then we make it parallel to x-axis.
Okay.
If the limits of y will be taken on y-axis, which is there in the question, we can take it on x-axis, right? अब देखिए, अब मैं चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर करके इसका
Yeah.
सॉल्यूशन लिखता हूँ. By change of order of integration, by changing the order of integration, by changing the order of integration, the new limits are the new
New limits are.
limits are The new limits are, you have to write the new limits now. So limits of x first we have to write. Limits of x. Okay, before that, once again the figure. Same figure only again.
Yeah.
Same figure only. Only the direction we have to change.
Sir, in the exam you have to draw two figures or?
Definitely two figures. Definitely two figures you have to draw. ठीक है ना? X axis, Y axis. Y is equal to A. Y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. This is X is equal to A. Okay, and this is our region. This is our region of integration.
Okay.
Now previous figure देखिए. Previous figure, this is parallel to y axis. Sorry, parallel to x axis. Now we draw parallel to.
Yeah.
Come on, बोलिए. Parallel to x axis था पहले से.
Y axis.
Yes, तो ऐसा होता.
अभी Y axis.
It will be like this now. Right? So lower limit is y is equal to 0 only. Upper limit is y is equal to x. Okay, the new limits of x.
Okay. Okay.
हाँ, यहाँ पे देखिए. This point is what? A comma 0, of course. This point is 0 comma 0, of course. This point is A comma 0 is over 0 comma A, of course. This is point is A comma A. No need to write. Limits of x बोलिए. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to A. On क्या लिखना है? On
A. Yeah.
on x axis.
On x axis. No,
Yes.
this is parallel to.
No, first पहले x के पहले constant limits लिखना. First constant limit, then complicated limits. Limits of y. This is y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. On strip. On strip.
Yeah.
Parallel to.
Strip.
Parallel to y axis. Okay ना? Therefore we have to write the answer. Disturbance ज़्यादा हो रहा आपके पास. Therefore our question is y is equal to 0 to a and x is equal to y to a. F of x comma y. F of x comma y. Dx dy is our question. Now by change of order of integration we got the new limits. So we should write our question in terms of new limits. That is x is equal to 0 to a and then y is equal to lower limit 0 to y is equal to upper limit y is equal to x. Value will be same. F of x comma y. Order change करना है dy and then dx. This is the end of this problem. आपने को खाली क्या करना था देखिए, खाली लिमिट चेंज करना था, चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर करना है. भी इंटीग्रेट नहीं पूछा क्वेश्चन में. तो ओनली वाह डिस्टर्बेंस ज्यादा हो रहा आपके पास से, बहुत ज्यादा.
ओके, तो इंटीग्रेट भी आ सकता है सर.
हाँ, ये आगे वाला जो क्वेश्चन आएगा चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन एंड इवॉल्वेट रहता. अभी इवॉल्वेट नहीं पूछा इसमें आपको, खाली चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर पूछा बस. ठीक है,
ठीक है.
आप इसको अच्छा देख लीजिए. अपन
यस सर.
डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा, स्टॉप करना पड़ता. आप घर पे जाइए, पीस ऑफ माइंड रहिए, फिर से थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए आप. उसके बाद में अगर टाइम मिला तो मैं और एक क्लास शेड्यूल करके बोलता हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है.
ठीक है ना? आप डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा आपको भी.
ठीक है सर. मैं वैसे तो मैं लाइब्रेरी में बैठ के हूँ यहाँ पर, तो खामोशी से
मैं
बाहर की आवाज आ रही है.
थोड़ी देर से मैं आपको फिर से शेड्यूल करके बोलता हूँ. मैं फ्री हूँ, आप थोड़ा घर पे चल जाइए नहीं तो.
अच्छा ठीक है. ओके.
ठीक है, मैं एक 1 आवर के अंदर फिर शेड्यूल करता हूँ क्लास आप, राइट?
ठीक है सर, ओके
ओके।
ओके।